Today, Panthers, I'm going to show you how to create a folder in Google Drive and how to put folders within folders to help keep you organized. Um, for some of you, when you get to Google Drive, your Google Drive will probably look like this. And that's fine if you want it to look like this. It shows you like the most recent files that you've used, and it also has like your folders up here, and they're like little boxes. For me, I don't really like that organization. I think it looks messy and I have a hard time finding things. So I like things in an up and down order like this so that I can see my files. And you can see like I have an English 9 folder, English 11, English 12, AP folder. So I want you to make folders for my class. So you're going to make folders, and then you're going to make folders within those folders. So to make a folder, you're just going to come over here and you're going to click New, and it has all these different options, and you're going to click Folder. This is also where you would make a new Google Doc or new Google Slides, or there's a whole bunch of things that you can make in here. But right now you're just making folders. So you're going to make your folder. You're probably going to call it English 9, and then you're going to click Create, and it will create an English 9 folder. And you can see I have two now. And then when you want to make a folder within that, you just open that folder. So now I have a blank folder, nothing in it, and I can create new folders. So maybe I need to make a folder for the book, The Pearl. So I type that and I make the folder. And then you just make all your folders and they're all ready. And this way you can put your documents in the right folders so that you know where they are. So anything you make for my class is going to go in the English 9 folder, and then it's going to go in the folder within the English 9 folder so that you're all organized. And then when you upload things to Schoology, you'll be able to find them. So it's really easy, and that's how you do it. Good luck.